Thank you, Lord, for today. That's everything that I need. Good morning, everybody. Another day of fishing out here. This is Baden Lake. I haven't been here in a long time. I don't remember the last time I was here. All I remember was I did pretty bad the last time I was here. Anyways, I'm gonna give it a try. By the time you guys watch this, it's probably gonna be 2023 already, the new year. So happy new year to all of you guys. Wish you guys had a hoping you guys had a wonderful Christmas. This is gonna be probably the last fishing trip, I think, of 2022. Yeah, I think it is. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna go out here and got a few rods. It is cold, so I don't know what they're gonna be doing. Today is supposed to warm up to about 50s, low 50s, mid 50s, I think. All right, make a short run and get to fishing, guys. Just as I had expected, the temp has dropped. It's about 38 degrees right now. We had 2 of those really cold days. Yeah, regardless, my mind is mentally prepared for a skunk. It'll be okay. I think I'm gonna start off right here. There's a bridge piling right there somewhere. I'm gonna start off with good old A-rig. See if anybody's gonna chase this sucker down. I know it's cold, but see if they're feeding. I mean, I see some activities down here. If I can get these guys to bite, I don't have to make that long run. I don't have to waste my time. Oh, man. It's cold. There we go. In the trees. Found one in the tree. All right, buddy. No skunk, baby. Alright. Might just be a tube kind of day today. Thank you, sir. It's a good looking fish. Oh, no way. Woo! Thank you, Lord. I'm not gonna do that again. I was gonna have to lose it. They are not in the shade line. Let's see if we're over here by the rocks. Something's ate it. Tentacles and these things are gone. I just don't feel it. Okay guys, it is 12 o'clock. I'm working my way back to the truck, fish a little bit on the way back in, and then we're gonna call it a day. But it's been quite rough, and that's usually how wintertime fishing is. You know, you come out here and either you get a skunk or you might get one or two, but every once in a blue moon, you know, you might run into a whole school of fish, and or they might be feeding, and you know, perfect time, perfect place, and you catch them. But today is not one of those days. Regardless though, it's been beautiful today. Not gonna complain. All right, let's work our way back. Well, boys and gals, that is gonna be a wrap for 2022. What a year it's been. It's been a struggle most of the times, but I am just blessed to be able to have the opportunity to come out here and fish. All right guys, happy New Year's to you guys. Happy holidays. Hope you guys are all well and staying safe out there. Until next time, I'll see you guys next year. Peace out. Well, I guess that's better than a skunk. Let's go home.